Welcome to Mother J's social media platform. Well, we're on our way to the beach, and Mother J is going to be Mother J. Please feel free to share, like, and subscribe.
Put on. I thought I was going somewhere. I put these shoes on. I don't want to do that.
They look pretty.
I know
So
it.
you say you
I
can
thought
walk.
we were going out somewhere. And I put.
Let's go out here to the
I'm
ocean.
talking about when I was at the highway and I put these on. I don't want to get them dirty.
So you want to walk or you want to use the wheelchair?
No, I guess I can walk.
Okay. She said she gonna walk Leo Bradley Thomas.
I'm getting mine there.
How far we got to go? Right there. Oh, I'm walking down there. Don't Chris pick me up and bring me back. This old dress, I ain't got the belt on. We just standing like that.
Come on.
They
Yeah.
saying, come on. Oh, Lord. And I was saying the car line, I get stiff. I guess I'm old. 80 something.
You guess you are old.
Oh, this is stiff.
It's
Look at
pretty.
that one, a pretty car.
You want that car?
No, I ain't got the money. Look at that, she don't need to pay. Some pretty.
Watch where you going.
What, Lee coming? Yeah, left, yeah.
He coming. Watch where you going.
Sit there. I feel like eating now. We can bring them down here to eat. It's pretty out here, too.
It is pretty out here. We just ate before we left. You don't remember, we just ate. We had a chicken pot pie before we left. Lee had a pork chop sandwich. And I had some salmon and some
I don't
zucchini
remember
and
that.
squash and some salad.
Oh, it's so nice out here.
It's pretty out here, isn't it?
Don't have to fan. Don't have to ball.
Who's that boat going there, Mama?
Spinning, ain't it? Spinning. Look at that bird looking down.
Hmm.
That bird looking down. Look at that. They're looking down. They ain't coming down. They're going across the water. They ain't coming back. Look.
You want to go closer to the edge of the, sit closer to the water? I'm talking about to the edge of the bench by Lee. No?
You want to go sit on the rocks?
No,
Why not?
I ain't sitting on that rock.
Why not?
Put myself.
You don't want to take a picture on the rock?
I ain't sitting on that rock. I had on some pants. I might be fine.
But you
Oh.
do have on.
You scared to go? You scared to go stand in front of the rock? You want to stand over there and take a picture? Huh?
I took my flying form and dressed them. Grab my little legs and arms.
You said what? You what? You dressed to what, Mom?
Go up.
Share all your Christmas.
Desperation.
Your all your all your what? It's all your Christmas what?
No, I ain't look. I got on the clothes. Panties.
Slip. Okay, we're out taking Mama to get a little outing today. I don't know how she acting over here. It's pretty. It's about 84, 85 degrees here. Mom, you enjoying yourself? You feel like what? You just finished eating before we left the house. You had a pot pie. You don't remember?
The pot wasn't big enough.
That was.
Your stomach gonna eat.
I eat good when I eat.
So you say you're hungry again already?
I can eat.
You always can eat. You ain't never lost your appetite, did you?
No.
Mm.
Yeah, so I get sick. I feel it.
I walked by that guy, almost caught a fish, and he started jerking. He scared me.
Oh, they wanted
And-
to put the thing in the rock.
And I said, I brought you luck. And then he lost it. He was mad. He said, it ain't your fault.
You took the rocks. Pulling next to the
They left. They got loose. Mom, you want to fish? You like to fish?
Yeah, sometime, but not today.
You don't want to fish? I one good thing about you can breathe without putting on mask and stuff. It's called the Jetty Lanier Outlet or Jetty Park. I wouldn't take a sign of it because I didn't even know.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, yesterday was Mother Daryl's birthday. She turned 95.
Mother there.
Larry was telling me about that today.
He did. She turned 95 years old.
95. She moving up Zion Hill.
Moving up Zion
Now, how
Hill.
old I'm at? 80 what? 85?
You 26.
Oh, I'm 80. I'm in my 80s.
Flying up there for a while ago.
They were
I thought that was
88. You're 88. You're 88 years old.
Okay. Look going there. That's so pretty. You, fish.
That's two girls.
You got something on, you got something in the water though.
Yeah, she's trying to catch something.
backing up that.
She got a little.
What's he caught that fish?
You done caught a fish already?
She's gonna throw it back in there.
Lord have mercy. There go another one. See what he gonna catch.
Ready?
Is that a pincher with the tail?
Yes. And it's here.
Swing. Push your legs up. Pull your feet up. Let me have the cane.
I'm gonna
Now while you swing, hold your legs up. Woo. I'm gonna have to sit on that. All right, Mother Johnson, how does it feel to swing? Woo. How high can you go?
I ain't gonna try to.
Huh?
You better watch what you're doing back there, back there.
Why you think I'm gonna fall?
You miss you going down. Go ahead, fast.
Let me see you swing. Push your leg.
I'm going fast.
Hold your legs up.
No, just hold on.
Hold your legs up.
Hold that. I want to swing you till you get in the water.
Hold your legs up.
Hold your legs up. What is that? Is that a manatee? It is a black man below the water right there.
She's scared to swing.
Yeah, there's something right there. Right there. Right in front of you there. There's something.
Is this the rock?
It might be a manatee.
I don't see it. You scared to swing, Mama?
No, I don't want to swing so high.
You don't want to swing high, just a little bit. Let me see you swing. I'm sending to your grandkids. Show them you can swing. Can you push yourself off? Just a little bit. Let me see. Oh. 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 You don't like you're enjoying yourself.
I don't want to go too high.
You don't want to go too high.
He's a troll chick. That's what he is.
What is it? Flying colors. What?
Mama, you look cute swinging. I'm making get us a commercial with you swinging. What? Huh?
I see that bird flying.
She ain't hitting on nothing today.